In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your investment on TD Trade using a pie, or how to manage your portfolio using a pie style on TD Ameritrade. While TD Ameritrade doesn't have an automatic pie investing features like M1 Finance, you can still create and balance diversity portfolio manually. First of all, TD Ameritrade is only available for not US citizen people, and it is still not yet available globally or internationally. So, assumingly, we have an access to TD Trade. So, to create a diversified portfolio, you'll need a mix of assets, stocks, and then ETFs, mutual funds, and then after that, allocate your portfolio using pie method. So, decide on your target allocation. For example, 50% stock, 30% ETFs, 20% bonds, and then use the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform or web trading to manually buy shares in proportion to your allocations, and then track your investments using TD Ameritrade's portfolio planner. This helps you maintain balance in your portfolio. And then over time, some investments will grow well, others may drop. Then check your portfolio balance every few months. So, if an asset is over or under its target allocations, buy or sell to rebalance. Example, if your stock allocation increased from 50% or to 60%, you might sell some stocks and buy more ETFs or bonds. Now, while TD Ameritrade doesn't offer automatic buys, you can set up a recurring deposits and manually invest in your chosen asset, and then use TD Ameritrade's auto rebalancing tools for managed portfolio if applicable. Consider moving to Charles Schwab after TD Ameritrade's Schwab transition for more automation options. And that's it. That's how you manage your investment, or would I say that's how to manage buy on TD Ameritrades. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.